The Yamaha X400 is a classic motorcycle that has earned its place in the hearts of riders for its reliable performance and timeless design. Introduced in the late 1970s, the X400 combined the simplicity of a twin-cylinder engine with Yamaha's commitment to smooth handling and durability. Its 400cc, air-cooled, parallel twin engine delivered a balanced performance that was suitable for both city commuting and longer rides, making it a versatile choice for a wide range of riders. The engine was known for its strong low-end torque, which allowed for confident acceleration without demanding high revs, while its twin carburetors ensured responsive throttle control and manageable fuel consumption. Over the years, the X400 became popular among enthusiasts for its mechanical simplicity, allowing owners to perform maintenance and upgrades with relative ease, which added to its longevity and appeal in the used motorcycle market. One of the standout features of the Yamaha X400 was its smooth, chain-driven transmission. The 5-speed gearbox provided precise shifts and contributed to the bike's reputation for reliability. The chassis, built from a steel double cradle frame, offered a stable and predictable ride, whether navigating tight city streets or cruising open highways. Its suspension setup, with telescopic front forks and dual rear shock absorbers, struck a balance between comfort and control, making it a forgiving bike for new riders while still satisfying more experienced motorcyclists. The braking system, featuring front and rear drum brakes on earlier models and front disc brakes in later versions, delivered adequate stopping power for its lightweight frame, though some riders later upgraded the rear brake for improved safety. Visually, the X400 exuded a classic, understated style that remains appealing to collectors and retro enthusiasts. Its teardrop-shaped fuel tank, chrome accents, and dual-seat design created a clean and timeless look. The instrument cluster was straightforward, with a speedometer, tachometer, and indicator lights for essential functions, maintaining the bike's reputation for simplicity and functionality. Later versions introduced minor styling updates, such as improved seat padding, updated turn signals, and slightly revised tank graphics, but the core design ethos remained consistent. Yamaha also offered optional accessories like crash bars and luggage racks, allowing riders to personalize their X400 for touring or urban commuting. Technologically, the X400 was modest but effective for its time. Its twin carburetor setup required regular tuning but offered reliable performance when maintained properly. Ignition was controlled via a points system in early models, which was later upgraded to an electronic system in subsequent releases, improving starting reliability and reducing maintenance requirements. Despite its simplicity, the bike's engine was capable of reaching highway speeds comfortably, with top-end performance that could keep up with other motorcycles in its class during the era. This balance of ease of maintenance, performance, and reliability made the XS400 a favorite among riders who wanted a bike that was both practical and enjoyable to ride. The Yamaha X400's legacy has endured because of its combination of classic styling, manageable performance, and mechanical reliability. Many riders today seek out these bikes for restoration projects, weekend rides, or as part of vintage motorcycle collections. Its lightweight frame and forgiving handling make it an ideal candidate for customization, whether converting it into a cafe racer, scrambler, or keeping it in its original condition for nostalgic appeal. The affordability of parts, the simplicity of its engine, and the strong enthusiast community around Yamaha twins contribute to its continued popularity. Even decades after its release, the X400 remains a symbol of Yamaha's commitment to building motorcycles that are not only reliable and functional but also fun and engaging to ride. For anyone exploring classic motorcycles, the Yamaha X400 offers a perfect blend of history, performance, and timeless design. Its enduring appeal comes from its approachable engine, straightforward mechanics, and versatile riding capabilities. Whether used as a daily rider or a weekend project, the X400 continues to captivate riders who appreciate motorcycles that prioritize riding enjoyment, simplicity, and reliability. Its place in the pantheon of classic Yamaha motorcycles is well earned, and it remains a testament to the era of motorcycles that combined style, practicality, and fun in one accessible package. The Yamaha X400 remains an iconic motorcycle that showcases the thoughtful engineering and design philosophy of Yamaha in the late 20th century. Its combination of reliable twin-cylinder power, simple maintenance, and classic aesthetics ensures it continues to be celebrated by riders, collectors, and vintage motorcycle enthusiasts alike.